Happy morning students, welcome to grade 10 mathematics online class. We are dealing this on chapter 2 numbers and sequences, and we already studied geometric sequence, correct? Have you all thoroughly with the formulas? Have you done the homework problem, that is the salary problem, I think so, offer A and B problem? Have you checked with the book back answer? Okay, there is one more problem remaining. Shall we continue that? Okay, take your textbook and be ready with your second chapter note, that is numbers and sequence note. Okay, ready for the class now? Okay, listen dear students, this is exercise 2.7 which is in page number 73. You can see your textbook also. There is one more question, 12th question. After completing that, we can move for the geometric series. So here, if A and B and C, A, B, C are three consecutive terms of the AP. So what is the condition for that? Is it clear? Okay, listen. So solution, given A, B, C are in AP. So what is the condition for AP? Second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. So here what is the second term? B minus A is equal to C minus B. So collect B terms in one side and other terms in other side. So B plus B is equal to C plus A, which is equal to 2B is equal to A plus C. Got it, students? So 2B is equal to A plus C. This is one value we got. Then, and X, Y, Z are three consecutive terms of the GP. Also given X, Y, Z are in GP. So what is the meaning? Second term divided by first term equal to third term divided by second term. So here Y by X, which is equal to Z by Y. Got it? So this term equal to some terms. We will get one answer, correct? After cancellation, we will get one answer. So let it be K. This is for say. Say means we are taking one value, constant value, that is K. So let's equate for that. So Y is equal to, Y by X equal to K means just cross multiply Y is equal to XK. Then Z by Y equal to K means just multiply this, Z is equal to YK. Then here we need to change all the terms in X value, because here just see the question, X power B minus C, Y power C minus A, Z power A minus B. So X is as it is X, Y here just we change to Y as XK. Similarly, we need to change Z also in terms of X. So X is X only, Y is equal to XK, Z is equal to, what is the answer we got? Z is equal to YK. So Z is equal to YK. Okay, just substitute this Y. Y is the, Y gets the value XK. So XK into K, which is equal to X into K square. So Z value also we got in terms of X. Y value also we got in terms of X. Now, to prove, what is the thing we need to prove? X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B equal to 1. We need to take the left hand side and we can bring the right hand side. So LHS, just write the left hand side as it is. X power B minus C into Y power C minus A into Z power A minus B, which is equal to X no need to change as it is. Y we need to change as Y is equal to XK. Just put it that. So XK the whole power C minus A into Z means XK square the whole power A minus B. Got it, students? Okay. Now separate this. X power B minus C into here both the value gets the power, correct? So X power C minus A into K power C minus A. Similarly here X power A minus B into K square power A minus B, which is equal to here X power B minus C into X power C minus A. Collect the X terms in one side and K terms in another side. So X power B minus C, X power C minus A. Also here X power A minus B. X in one term. Okay, we collected into K power C minus A into here K power. Multiply this 2 for both the terms. So 2A minus 2B. Then When the base is same means the power you need to add. So x power b minus c plus c minus a plus a minus b. Similarly for k also c minus a plus 2a minus 2b. So here very carefully please listen. Plus a minus a cancel, plus c minus c cancel, plus b minus b cancel. So what is the value? X power 0 into k power here minus a plus 2a. So c plus a minus 2b. So what is the answer we got? X power 0 into k power c plus a minus 2b, which is equal to x power 0 into, here in the first step we already wrote 2b. What is the value? A plus c. C plus a minus of 2b value a plus c. So just substitute that. X power 0 into k power c plus a minus c. So this will cancel, this also will cancel. So x power 0 into k power 0, which is equal to, what is the value? Any number power 0, that is 1. So which is equal to 1. Got it? This is the RHS. So hence proved. Okay. So it's very simple question. Listen. First 3 consecutive terms are in AP. Then 3 terms are in GP. We need to prove this. So AP means this fact. Second term minus first term equal to third term minus second term. After completing this, GP. GP means second term by first term equal to third term by second term. So this is very careful. You need to write this step. Let it be K. Otherwise you can mention T. Otherwise you can mention L. Any number, any letter you can write. No problem. So we are taking our convenience. No? So let it be one number, one letter, a constant. So here just equate this. First term also equal to this. Second term also equal to this. Since being equal to. So after equating, we are getting the value for Z and Y also. Then follow this procedure. You will get the answer easily. Then geometric sequence and related problems over. Now sum to n terms of the geometric progression. Put the heading which is in page number 73. So sum to n terms of a GP. Already we learned for AP. Have you reminded the formulas? Here, sum to n terms of the GP. What is the meaning of S2? Sum of 2 terms. S1, term 1 plus term 2. So, geometric progression here, listen the textbook, page number 73. See the definition. A series whose terms are in geometric progression is called a geometric series. In a geometric progression, see here, in the geometric progression, the terms are in the geometric series, the terms are in geometric progression means geometric series. So here this is the geometric progression. They are taking the sum and what's the final answer? Or not equal to 1 means Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. Okay. Okay, listen. There are 3 categories based on the value of r. Okay. If r is greater than 1, if r is less than 1, if r is equal to 1. There are 3 categories. Okay. Some terms, yes, n is equal to. R is bigger means a into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1. R is less means r will come the second term. A into 1 minus r power n by 1 minus r. Then r is equal to 1 means Sn is equal to Na. Okay, there are 3 formulas. Please learn this. This is rough work. R is greater than 1. R means common ratio. Common ratio is greater than 1 means you can use this formula. Sn is equal to R will come first. R is less than means R will come second. The numerator as well as in the denominator. R is equal to 1 means Sn is equal to very simple formula. Sn is equal to Na. Is the concept okay? Shall we move for one example now? Listen this also. One more formula. Sum to infinite terms of the GP. That means sum infinity. This is the symbol for infinity. So A plus AR square plus AR cube. If it not n's means the formula is A by 1 minus R. You need to learn this formula also. Okay, here the ranges R value lies between minus 1 less than or less than 1. The R value is in between this value. Got it, students? So here the infinite terms of the GP means it will not ending means you need to use this formula. If it has some end means you need to use these three formulas based on the value for R. Shall we move for the example problem? Example. Turn to page number 74 and you can see your textbook. 2.46. Find the sum of 8 terms of the GP. 1, minus 3, 9, minus 27, etc. So solution. Here also etc. It will goes on like this, but we need to calculate, find the sum of 8 terms. But here yes, infinity. All the total we need to calculate. That's the only difference. Here sum of 8 terms only we need to calculate. There is a limit. Limit means you need to use the three formulas according to the value of R. If it is not ending means simply if they ask to find the sum and if they give this sequence means you need to this use formula. If it is not having any limit means this much terms you need to find, that much terms you need to find means you need to use that three formulas, R less than 1, or greater than 1, or equal to 1. Otherwise you need to use this formula, A by 1 minus R. Got it, students? Okay, this is very simple. Find the sum of, so GP, so you need to think that it is geometric series. So sum of 8 terms of the GP. So first you need to write the given sequence. Given 1, minus 3, 9, minus 27, etc. So here A is equal to 1. R is equal to T2 by T1. So minus 3 by 1. That is R is equal to minus 3. R value we got, A value we got. Then based on the value of R we will select the formula. Here N is equal to how many terms? 8 terms. So N is equal to 8. Here R is less than 1 or greater than 1? R is less than 1. So you can prefer the second formula. If R is less than 1, then Sn is equal to A into R will come the next term, correct? 1 minus R power N by 1 minus R. In the textbook they used already the previous formula. They didn't separate, but better you can use this formula. Then the calculations will get easy. The textbook they simply given R is not equal to 1 means only one formula. But if you separate like this, you will done the calculations easily. That way I separated. This is also correct. R is greater than 1, R is less than 1, R is equal to 1. But comparing both the formulas are same only. If you change this sign and numerator in the denominator, the value is same only, because one minus will come outside. So that will cancel. So no problem at all. But if you separate like this, you will get the answer easily. So listen. R is less than 1 means Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power N by 1 minus R. So here yes, N value 8. So which is equal to A value 1. Then 1 minus 3 the whole power 8 by 1 minus 3. So just calculate this. 1 into anything, that number only. So 1 minus 3 the whole power 8 by 1 minus 3. So how can we calculate this? So 1 minus 3, 8 times we need to calculate. Since it is an even power, the value gets positive only. Is it clear? Okay. Listen. So 3, how many times we need to calculate? 8 times. So 3 into 3 into 3. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So 4 plus 4, 8. So 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. Here 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 8 9 9s are 81, 9 9s are 81. 81 into 81. 1, 8, 8, 64. Here 1, 16, 1, 5, 6. Got it? So minus, here minus 3 the whole power 8. The value gets minus or plus? Here the value gets plus only, because minus 2 the whole power 4 means minus 1 the whole power 4 means the value is even. So we are getting plus. Minus 1 the whole power 5 means the value, this is odd. So we will get the value minus. So this is the concept. So here, since the power is even, we will get the answer in plus only. This minus is the center minus. Minus 3 the whole power 8 is 6561 by here 1 minus into minus plus 3. So 1 minus this. We couldn't minus, no? So just put one minus sign and just subtract. 6561 60 by 4. Just cancel it for second table. 2, 3, 2, 8, 0. Then 1, 1, 6, 4, 0. So what is the sum? Minus 1640. This is the sum 8. Sum of 8 terms is minus 1640. This is very simple. Please study this. R is based on the R value. We will get the formula like this. Then substitute all the values. We will make the problems very easy. Then example 2.47. Today homework problem you need to do. I will mark the questions. Okay. Find the first term of a GP in which S6 equal to 4095 and R is equal to 4. So this is the thing given. Solution. Find the first term of the GP. That means A value we need to calculate. In which S6 value given and R is equal to 4. What's the meaning of S6? Sum of 6 terms. So 4095. R is equal to 4. This is greater than 1. So which formula we need to use? Sn is equal to A into R value is greater than 1. So it will come first. R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Got it, students? Okay. Now Sn already given. S6 is given. So n equal to 6. S6 value 4095. We know Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Substitute the value. S6 equal to A value we don't know. R value already given, no, 4. So 4 power 6 minus 1 by 4 minus 1. So S6 value 4095, which is equal to A value we need to calculate. So 4 power 6. 6 times we need to multiply. My God. Into 4, 4, 4. 3, 3. 4 4s are 16. 4 4s are 16. This 4 4s are 16. 16 into 16, 256. Then 256 into 16. 6 6 are 36. And here 30, 33, 12, 15, 6, 5, 2. Here 6, 9, 10, 0. And here 4. So 4096 minus 1 by 3. Got it, students? So 4095, which is equal to A into 4095 by 3. Don't cancel this because just multiply this side. A into 4095 into, here 4095 by 3. Transposing that side, it will come as reciprocal. So just cancel this. So A is equal to 3. So what is the first term? A is equal to 3. This is very easy problem. Let's move to the example problem. Next example problem. Example 2.48. How many terms of the series 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus etc. make the sum 1365. So how many terms of the series make the sum this? See here they didn't give whether it is a AP or GP, they didn't mention. We need to find. So given 1 plus 4 plus 16 plus etc. Here what is the first term? A is the first term. That is 1 is the first term. Then we need to check. Here T2 by T1. Listen. T2 by T1 is 4 by 1. Which is equal. T3 by T2 is 16 by 4. That is also 4. So here ratio is given. R is equal to 4. Since we are getting the ratio, this is GP. So GP, geometric series, they asked. Make the sum. This much sum is given. So SN, how many terms? Terms we don't know. To find number of terms. Sum is given. Sn is given. 1365. That n only we need to calculate. So here R value gets 4. That is greater than 1. If R value greater than 1, then Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. We can use this formula. So Sn value 1365, which is equal to A value 1, R value 4, power n we don't know, minus 1 by 4 minus 1. Very simple. 1365 is equal to 4 power n minus 1 by 3. Just multiply this. 1365 into 3, which is equal to 4 power n minus 1. So 1365 into 3. 5 3s are 15, 18, 19, 1, 9, 10, 1, 4095. Okay. So 4095 is equal to 4 power n minus 1. And take this side, 4 power n, 4095 plus 1. Because we are transposing this side. So 4 power n is equal to 4096. Here base 4. We need to calculate this also as 4. Got it? Already we found that here in the previous problem 4 power 6 is 4096. Here also 4096. So automatically we know that 4 power n is equal to 4 power 6. So base same, power also same. So n is equal to 6. So how many terms? Here how many terms only they asked. N is the number of terms. So number of terms equal to 6. Got it, students? Okay, move for the next problem. Example 2.49. Find the sum 3 plus 1 plus 1 by 3 plus up to infinity. So this is the formula we learned, sum of infinity terms. So here A is equal to, one page I skipped out. So here A is equal to 3, R is equal to T2 by T1, which is equal to 1 by 3. And here infinity symbol is given. So automatically which formula? Sum to n terms, this formula. Sum to infinite terms of the GP. S infinity. Here S infinity only they asked. Sum to infinity terms. So what is the formula? A by 1 minus R. So we know that A plus AR square plus up to infinity means A by 1 minus R. So here 3 plus 1 by 3 plus up to infinity means A value 3 by 1 minus R value 1 by 3. We need to calculate this very simple 2 mark. So 3 by, just take the LCM. Here into 3. So 3 minus 1 by 3. This is whole division. Okay. So 3 by 2 by 3. So 3 into, take the reciprocal, 3 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 2. So S infinity is equal to 9 by 2. Got it, students? Very simple problem now. Okay. Shall we move for the next problem now? Before that, you can mark the homework problem. Take your textbook. Otherwise, I will forget. Turn to page number 76. Here 10 problems only. Soon we need to complete the portion also, no? So exercise 2.8 is very easy problem. Already I did know here. Find the sum of first n terms of the GP. Here n terms, one problem I will say. Okay. Here you can do this problem. Find the sum of first 6 terms of the GP. In the example problem what we done? Find the sum of 8 terms of the GP. First example. Example 2.46 you can refer. Find the sum of 8 terms. Here they asked to find the sum of first 6 terms. So this is homework. Second problem, homework. Then find the first term of the GP whose Ormond ratio and the sum of this. This one I will teach. Then this one you can do. Find the sum to infinity. Just before we completed, no? Find the sum to infinity. This formula, A by 1 minus R. That formula 2 problems they gave. So 2 problems also you need to finish. Okay. Then, is there any easy problem? Okay, otherwise everything I need to teach. Then first subdivision, one problem I will teach. This one you can do. Okay. First problem, second subdivision. First one I will teach now. Second one you can do as homework based on this model. So how many homework problems? 4 homework problems. What are they? Exercise 2.8, first Roman, second problem, then second Roman, then fourth Roman completely. Okay. You need to complete this homework problems and you need to check. After completing this, you need to check with the book back answer. Now, shall we do this problem? Then you can easily do the homework, no? So, exercise 2.8, write the first question. Listen, dear students, find the sum of first n terms. Here they didn't mention 6 terms, 8 terms. So, if they mention means we can put n is equal to that value. If they didn't mention means we can put n is equal to n only of the GP. So, sum of GP means series. Let's recall the geometric series formula. So, given 5, minus 3, 9 by 5, minus 27 by 25, etc. So, here A value 5, R value T2 by T1. They given GP. So definitely we will get R, which is equal to minus 3 by 5. Second term by first term. Got it, students? Here R value less than 1 or greater than 1. Here's minus value, no? So less than 1. So which answer? If R is less than 1, then Sn is equal to A into 1 minus R power n by 1 minus R. That formula we can use. So this is sum of first n terms. This is also sum of first n terms. So no need to change this. Sn is equal to A value 5 into 1 minus R value minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by 1 minus 3 by 5. Numerator no need to solve because it is power n, no. So minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by, here minus into minus plus, so 1 plus 3 by 5. So just change this into 5 into 5. So 5 into 1 minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by 5 plus 3, 8 by 5. I am solving here. Class of no need to write like this. You can turn in the next page and write. Okay. So 1 minus 3 by 5 the whole power n by this division term we can take it as a multiplication factor into 5 by 8. Yes. So multiply this. 25 by 8 into 1 minus 3 by 5 the whole power n. Got it, students? First the equation is given, the sequence is given. From that A value, R value we need to calculate. Then if it is less than 1 means like this. After that here power n means there is no value, no? So how can we solve? Let it be. So this is the final answer, sum to n terms. So the same concept only you are going to use in the second problem, which is in page number 76. So this is homework. The marked problems of homework. Take your textbook and mark it now. So second problem, and here second problem, and here fourth one, first and the second problem. Already we did this. Shall we solve this third problem now? Then 4 problems will complete, no? Write this third problem now. Listen dear students, question number 3. Find the first term of the GP. First term means A value we need to calculate, whose common ratio is given. So R is equal to 5. And sum to first 6 terms. What is the meaning? S6 is given, 46,872. Here R is greater than 1. So which formula you need to put? If R is greater than 1, then Sn is equal to A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1. Got it? So A into R power n minus 1 by R minus 1 equal to Sn. But here S6 is given. S6 means in the place of n you need to replace a 6. So A into R power 6 minus 1 by R minus 1. Here we know which is R value we know. So A into 5 power 6 minus 1 by 5 minus 1, which is equal to S6. S6 value 46,872. Then A into A value only we need to calculate. So 5 power 6, how can we calculate? 5 how many times you need to write? 5 6 times you need to write. So 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25. 25 into 25, 625 into 25. Such a long calculation, no? So listen. So 5 5s are 25, here 10, 12, 30, 31, and 5 2s are 10, here 4, 5, and here 12. So 5, 2, 6, 5, 1, 15,625. So 15,625 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to 46,872. Then, so just listen here, A is equal to this minus 1, no? So 24 it will come. So A is equal to, I took the reciprocal, then we need to cancel, we will get the answer easily. Okay, listen dear students, here's the calculation I did here. Here after calculating, the last value is 2,604, here 217. Then divide it, you will get the answer is 12. Okay, so A is equal to 12. The A value only they ask, no, find the first term. So A is equal to 12. So here today we learnt 2 concepts. What are they? Sn and S infinity. Sn means R is greater than 1, R is less than 1, and R is equal to 1. S infinity means only one formula, A by 1 minus R. So based on these two formulas, we solved some problems, and your work is complete the homework today itself, and the remaining problems we can see in the next class. Thank you students. Have a nice day.